Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by opening the Measure app and immediately calibrating motion. Move the iPhone slowly in a figure eight until calibration completes. This improves sensor accuracy. Make sure ambient light is bright enough and hold the phone steady. Remove bulky cases if they block the camera. Once done, tap the plus to set the start point and position the crosshair exactly on the object edge. You're initiating the measurement process now, so keep motions smooth and deliberate. Next, focus on precise point placement. Position the dot, then tap to mark the start and move to the end point. Hold the iPhone at arm's length to minimize parallax. Steady motions reduce error. For longer distances, tap to add intermediate points and measure segments for greater accuracy. Use the on-screen level and horizontal/vertical guides to align with edges and planes. Because the app estimates depth, taking multiple short segments often yields more reliable totals than one long sweep. To finish, tap Done to lock the measurement and view dimensions, then choose Save or Share as a photo with overlay. If results seem off, reset and retake the measurement, breaking it into smaller segments and comparing with a physical tape measure to validate accuracy. If persistent errors occur, reboot the iPhone, update iOS, and recalibrate by repeating the figure eight motion. These steps fix most sensor and app issues. If trouble continues, check lighting and remove reflective surfaces that confuse the camera.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.